Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking everything that I do for my skin. This is what I do every day, period. Let's dive in. Okay, we know cosmetic injectables, skin treatments, laser, microneedling, all of that is great. We need it. However, what you're doing at home is really what matters. I've been seeing this brand everywhere. Everywhere I go, JASI is in everyone's office. Okay, this is our brand. This is what we use. This is my brand in our office. This is what I made for our patients, really thinking of all skin types, all skin tones, wanting something that is going to complement the treatments we're doing in the office, extend the life of the treatments, and get your results at home. This was really driven by me to get a sunscreen that is, again, safe for all skin types and all skin tones. This is a mineral-based sunscreen that doesn't leave a white cast on the skin. So this was like the driving product for the line. I use this every day, multiple times a day. You guys, when I ask you if you're using sunscreen, a lot of times you tell me yes. And when I ask you when you apply, I might hear when I go to the beach, or I might hear in the morning, and that's it. A lot of us, you know, we're around the sun every day. Patients from LA, this means you. If we are driving in LA, if we're getting sun on us, if we're living in a house in LA, we're getting sun on us because we're by windows. So especially just everybody, I don't want to say black and brown girls, everyone needs to be not just using it once in the morning, not just using it at the beach. You need to be reapplying your sunscreen. When patients do this, they tell me they notice like their dark spots get lighter. They can see the changes in their skin. So use this. It's not going to leave a white cast. It feels like a primer is what a lot of people tell me. So this, lovely. This is our Pure Cleanse. That's a gentle cleanser. I will use this one. I use this like almost as a double cleanse. So I use our Pure Cleanse sometimes as a double cleanse with our Microderm scrub. So the scrub is an AHA, BHA exfoliant. This is going to just give you smooth texture, glowing skin after. I love the way my skin looks after I use this. If you can tolerate it, you can use it more than the recommended 2 to 3 times a week. I use it multiple times a week, but you have to see how your skin responds. A lot of patients are able to do this daily and they love it. So if you're trying to wipe your sunscreen off, use this first and then use this as that extra polish on the face. Okay, serum wise, every day, twice a day at least. Recovery Boost Serum, I've told you before, everyone loves this. They get it because they're using it post-care, post-treatment, like our microneedling or injectables. However, even if they're not using it for treatment, they say they just want to keep using it every day. Really hydrating on the skin. This is great for any inflammation, redness, killing bacteria. It's just soothing, sunburns, all of it. Little cuts, little moms use it for cuts on their kids. This is great, wonderful, gentle, twice a day. Now our vitamin C green tea radiant serum. You can use this once or twice a day. I use it twice a day. I know not everybody wants to use the vitamin C at night. I like it because when I wake up, I feel like I glow. This is going to help with pigment, so dark spots. It's going to give us an extra layer of protection against UV, against environmental damage. I love this. So these two are like every day for me. I drop and then I drop and I rub them in. I will seal it with the moisturizer, especially during the winter. So anytime when it's cooler, drier, and I just need some extra hydration, I'll seal it with the Hydroglow moisturizer. Now our Resurface RX serum, this is a retinol. Okay, so this is our retinol. I will use this about 3 to 4 times a week typically. That's what my skin can tolerate. I will pair it after I have used, sometimes I'll skip it with I'll pair it after I've used my serums, my moisturizer, and then I put this on top, just a few drops. I'm careful around the eyes. Around the eyes, the skin is thinner, so it's a little, it can be a little more drying. I will sometimes double moisturize if, I'm getting on that 3rd or 4th day of the week and I'm getting a little not flaky, but I can tell my skin is a little sensitive. So I'll do some extra moisturizer on that. I like this one. This is going to help turn over skin cells faster, helps with fine lines, pores, pigment, acne scarring, texture. So like I tell my patients when they come in, if you can do nothing, like you gotta use your sunscreen. If you can do, this is in the day, if you can only do one thing at night, it's gonna be your retinol mixed with your moisturizer, because this can be drying. Sometimes, you know, my patients can tolerate using a prescription retinoid, so they might be doing Retin-A, tretinoin. That's also an option that we prescribe in the office. But really, this is all I use. I'm not doing tons of products. I'm not going to Sephora and Ulta and just buying everything that looks cool on social. Like, I keep it here. I will up it sometimes, like I said, on my moisturizer if I'm feeling more dry. If I'm feeling more irritated, I might pull back on the active ingredients like the retinol, maybe the vitamin C, but I really love this one. This one, every day, everybody should be using it. And the scrub, every day. You can buy this online at our website. So you can go to jasiskin.com, JASISKIN.com. You can get in the office, we can ship it to you. Our patients, they know this is going to complement the treatments they're getting in the office, so they're picking it up here. But yeah, like everybody loves it. The team, everybody uses it. And so when you come in, we're going to develop a treatment plan based on your skin needs, your skin goals, concerns. We will give you a protocol. We will write everything out, tell you exactly how to use it, what order it is in, so it doesn't have to be overwhelming. We'll give you the nighttime routine, the morning routine. We're here to support you and your glowing skin, and everything we're doing in the office, this pairs perfectly with. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have questions, let me know down below. And when you're ready for yours, come see us.